Hello, welcome to another cooking show rodeo with the Tater Cowgirl. Eddie is carriage driving at the ranch, so it's just me and I want to talk breakfast with you. So you know, oatmeal is one of the best things you can eat on a whole plant-based diet. You know, I come from the diabetic corner. I basically got my diabetes under control with whole plant-based eating. I started June 27, 2017, and I got rid of all my insulin and all pills. Recently I had to add back a little bit insulin because I got diagnosed with LADA, which means I cannot make enough insulin to stay out of trouble. I can stay out of the hospital, but not out of trouble. So I had to add a tiny little bit of Lantus back, which is not a big deal, once a day. But I have it under control. I have readings 80, 90, so I'm good. Anyway, oatmeal is great. So anyway, my husband loves that quick oats, which I don't eat. That's the highest glycemic index from all oatmeal, so it's non-GMO, it's fine for him, he loves it, it's fast, but I don't use it. I just want to introduce it to you. I usually eat raw like a horse, traditional rolled oats, non-GMO. I put them in my bowl with some plant yogurt, some berries, and a little flax meal and some cinnamon, and take it to work, and I eat my breakfast there because I leave the house at really early at 5:30. I don't want to have breakfast at that time, so I eat it around 7 at work. Now they are on a middle glycemic index. The one on the lowest glycemic index is the steel cut oats. However, I always said, oh, come on, I don't want to be 40 minutes cooking my steel cut oats every morning. It's just taking too much time for me. But then I saw somebody did it, put it in the Instant Pot. Why not? So that's what we're gonna do today, and I show you how to cook steel cut oats in the Instant Pot. Hold on. Go down a little. Oops, I'll throw you down. It should work. You see my Instant Pot. You open it. Oops. Oh, great! Not broken. Just get another one. Okay, we put in 1.5 cups water. We put in 1/2 cup steel cut oats and a little bit, a pinch of salt. Nothing else. Everything else we add once the oats are done. You don't need, you know, you can vary then your different tastes. I would say we give it a little spin. Right. Close the lid. Put on seal the vent and take manual pressure cooking to 5 minutes. And we come back once the 5 minutes are over. I will let it stay on a natural release for 10 minutes. And then we open it. I see you then. Oh, I'm back, and so I have it, as you probably can see it, I let it on low for 10 minutes. That's it necessary. So you can't just release the steam after 5 minutes high pressure. You have to let it on 10 minutes low. Then I put the thing on venting. Took like only a few seconds to get the vent down, and now we open it. Be careful, burn yourself. And you see it's a little runny, so we just mix it a little. It's gonna thicken up. If you want to keep it overnight, it's gonna be too thick, so you have to put a little bit of like plant milk or yogurt in it. But for eating it warm, it's just right. See? You see it? So what I'm gonna do is I unplug the iPod, put that over here so that you can see it. And we put it in a plate. Take a towel because it's hot. The inner pod is hot in the iPod, so be careful. We put it out here. So I made basically one portion. You can make more, you know, you double the amount. Then you can do overnight oats and put it in the fridge, eat it cold. There's they don't go bad for a long time. I want to incorporate them in my breakfast. Also, I like traditional rolled oats because they are the least processed oats, the steel cut oats, and as whole plant based eating people, we always look for the least processed way of eating. Okay, this is it. Let's put that in the water and soak it right away. Okay, so we got our oats here. Let me try the pure oats before I put any flavor on it. They're just right. Not too smooth, not too mushy, but very soft. Very good taste. So I start putting, let's say, 1 teaspoon of cocoa in it. Just one variation. You can put in whatever you want. I should just show you an idea. I have that Wonder Cocoa fat-free. So I just mix that in for the flavor. And you know, I didn't put any sugar in so far because sugar, even if I use the vegan sugar, is causing pain in my body. I notice every time I eat sugar, it's like the blood in my veins starts boiling and it's painful. It goes away after a while, after, you know, I digest it, but it's not fun. So when I noticed it's mainly with sugar, so I try to avoid sugar. So what I do is I put a little bit of local honey in it. Honey doesn't cause that pain. So that is my sweetener. And honey has anti-inflammatory properties, so that's good for me. Because I have that LADA, which is basically an autoimmune disease. My body is destroying their own organs, basically. So LADA is in between diabetes 1 and diabetes 2. It's controllable. It's nothing to be afraid of. I tackled it. You can do too. I lost 117 pounds, and I'm able to keep my weight now since, when was I in Washington? August. I keep my weight. I'm not gonna gain anymore. In Washington during vacation I gained a few pounds because I ate outside, and you know, they add fat. Getting good. So now I put in a few blueberries, also anti-inflammatory. I love blueberries. I put in some cinnamon. Pinch. And I put in a little vanilla extract, pure vanilla extract. Just a little zip. That's just my personal choice for today. You can do citrus fruits, you know, orange juice, whatever you like. Okay, let's put a little bit more. You know what else I put in? A little bit flaxseed meal. Because flaxseed is brushing through your arteries. It gets rid of all the clogging stuff. How is that for a nice breakfast? Huh? I love it. Very good, very healthy. See you next week to another cooking rodeo with the Tater Cowgirls. Have a good rest of the weekend and a good start of the new week. See you. It's the St. California. Peace out.